Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. We do have temperatures that have fallen into the 30s in most areas. Shreveport above freezing at 38, above freezing in Texarkana at 36, but a few locations along and north of I-30, northeast Texas and Oklahoma have dipped to near freezing. We've actually had just a few reports of some light snow accumulating on some of the grassy surfaces there in northeast Texas and Oklahoma, but as far as the precipitation, most of that is now moving off to the east, and we have just a few lingering bands of what will likely be kind of a mix of some light snow, maybe some drizzle, some light rain, and you can see one of those at the moment just to the west of Texarkana. So at this point, really don't expect that we'll see anything else accumulate, but don't be surprised. We may have just enough lift in the atmosphere here that we do see some snow flurries at some point, mainly across the northern Arklatex this morning, but as far as accumulating precipitation, it looks like that chance really coming to an end for us this morning. Here's a look at satellite radar together. Still have a lot of cloud cover to get through today, but we should see some late day sunshine in a few areas. I think the theme for us this morning, the overcast conditions, and then mostly cloudy through the afternoon with any kind of precipitation chances ending likely between about 7 and 9 o'clock this morning. You can see the cold air that's taken over across much of the country. We do have a northwest wind behind this cold front, which is going to continue to push that cold air in today. So temperatures not really going to warm up much. I do have our forecast highs in just about all locations in the upper 30s or low 40s, so it's going to be a very cold day. It's going to be a breezy day as well, so we'll have wind chills throughout the morning and into the afternoon. That will be in the 30s, so even this afternoon with temperatures in the low 40s with that wind, it will feel much colder than that, and again, any chance of precipitation coming to an end pretty quickly as we move through the morning. Here's a look at Futurecast. It does take one of those bands of kind of mixed winter precipitation in to Texarkana in the next few hours. And there you see a little bit of sunshine trying to pop out a little bit later. I think Futurecast likely clears this out a little too quick. I think we'll see some clouds linger this afternoon, but some late day sunshine will be possible in most areas. And you see as we go through the overnight hours, we're looking at a clearing trend here. Just a few clouds drifting through. Should be a mostly sunny Friday for us. And with the southwest wind returning tomorrow, we should have high temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. So a little bit warmer for us tomorrow and into the weekend as well. Your lows tonight, it's going to be a cold night down into the 20s and 30s. So everybody at or below freezing tonight, including in the 20s for Texarkana. I have Shreveport down to 32 degrees. And I'll look at your 7-day forecast. Again, we do have quiet weather for a day or two. We are going to see another front move through late Friday into Saturday morning. This could bring potentially just a few showers early in the day Saturday and late day showers possible Sunday as we have a series of disturbances on the way next week. It is setting up to be a messy week next week. Do have high chance of rain and thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Any kind of severe weather threat looks low Monday, Tuesday, but we'll have to keep an eye on Wednesday as we get final push of a cold front making its way through, which could bring some strong storms. Kind of a muddled pattern here and not much confidence as far as any kind of severe weather. But one of the things the forecast model is showing next week, obviously with a lot of days of rain in there, is the potential for some heavy rain. European model at this point showing some 3 to 5 inch accumulation, so heavy rain definitely a threat for us as we move through next week.